Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for a 2014 to 2018 Toyota Tundra. The only tool needed is a T30 Torx Screwdriver. Let's start by opening the tailgate. Remove the two T30 Torx screws securing the taillight. Unseat the taillight by pulling it towards the side of the truck. Remove the three sockets. Remove the OEM taillight. Remove the first and third bulb, leaving the original reverse bulb intact. Bring over the new Spyder taillight. Connect the bulb plugs into the sockets, then secure the sockets into the light. Seat the new taillight. Reinstall the two T30 Torx screws to secure the taillight in place. Close the tailgate and your installation is complete. Let's take a look at the before and after. On the left is OEM unit and on the right is our LED light bar. Congrats, you just installed your Spyder Auto LED taillights on your Tundra. Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.